फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल होम लर्निंग। पिछले वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ इंडियन पॉलिटी एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में डिस्कस कर रही थी और वीडियो के एंड में मैंने आप लोगों के लिए एक क्वेश्चन दिया था और वो क्वेश्चन है अ लॉ मेड बाय जुडिशियरी इज नोन एज, और इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, केस लॉ। फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ इसी टॉपिक पे डिस्कस करूंगी। आज का वीडियो इस टॉपिक का पार्ट 2 होगा। वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने जा रही है, तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1. Who interprets the Constitution? Answer: Judiciary. Question number 2. The Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by? Answer: the President. Question number 3. The judges of Supreme Court retire at the age of? Answer: 65 years. Question number 4. Judicial review in the Indian Constitution is based on? Answer: procedure established by law. Question number 5. The Supreme Court of India enjoys? Answer: original, appellate and advisory jurisdiction. Question number 6. Where the high courts in India first set up? Answer: Bombay, Madras, Kolkata. Question number 7. Judges of the Supreme Court and High Court can be removed by? Answer: the President. Question number 8. The main function of the judiciary is? Answer: law adjudication. Question number 9. Who is authorized to transfer the judge of one high court to another high court? Answer: the President. Question number 10. Which was the first linguistic state to be created? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Question number 11. How many states are there in the Indian Union? Answer: 28. Question number 12. The reorganization in 1956 created? Answer: 14 states and 6 union territories. Question number 13. The main feature of the federal state is? Answer: decentralization. Question number 14. A federal government is in the shape of? Answer: agreement between the center and the states. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a union territory? Answer: Nagaland. Question number 16. Which is the largest Lok Sabha constituency in India by number of voters? Answer: Malkasgiri. Question number 17. Which is the largest Lok Sabha constituency in India by area? Answer: Ladakh. Question number 18. The minimum age prescribed for election as a member of Panchayat is? Answer: 21 years. Question number 19. How many times the national emergency has been declared in India? Answer: 3 times. Question number 20. In the national flag, saffron color represents? Answer: courage and sacrifice. Question number 21. How many recognized national parties are there in India? Answer: 8. Question number 22. The state of Mysore was renamed as Karnataka in the year? Answer: 1973. Question number 23. What is known as the Little India? Answer: village. Question number 24. Constitution of India came into force in? Answer: 1950. Question number 25. Name the only Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament. Answer: Chaudhary Charan Singh. Question number 26. Who was the first female judge of the Supreme Court of India? Answer: Fatima Bibi. Question number 27. Indian Constitution is? Answer: quasi-federal. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a feature of Indian Constitution? Answer: presidential form of government. Question number 29. The concurrent list in the Indian Constitution is adopted from the Constitution of? Answer: Australia. Question number 30. Who is considered the architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 31. Cabinet system and collective responsibility are the contributions of? Answer: Britain. Question number 32. The Constitution makes India a secular state. This means? Answer: the state is completely detached from religious affiliations. Question number 33. Who decides allotment of symbols to political parties? Answer: Election Commission. Question number 34. A person cannot contest election from? Answer: more than 2 constituency. Question number 35. After how many days of absence from Parliament without permission can an MP be disqualified? Answer: 60 days. Question number 36. Which is the smallest Lok Sabha constituency in India by number of voters? Answer: Lakshadweep. Question number 37. Which state has no Panchayati Raj Institution? Answer: Nagaland. Question number 38. When did the Constituent Assembly adopt Jana, Gana as national anthem of India? Answer: 24 January 1950. Question number 39. When did Constituent Assembly adopt a national flag? Answer: 22nd July 1947. Question number 40. Hindi was declared as the official language of India under Article? Answer: 343. Question number 41. The Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the? Answer: Cabinet Mission Plan. Question number 42. Persons may change, but rules should not change, is the principle of? Answer: Constitutional government. Question number 43. The chairman of drafting committee of the Indian Constitution was? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 44. The provisional president of the Indian Constituent Assembly was? Answer: Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Question number 45. The concept of constitution first originated in? Answer: Britain. Question number 46. Who was the first chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 47. The method of impeachment of the President of India is adopted from? Answer: USA. Question number 48. The drafting of the Constitution was completed on? Answer: 26 November 1949. Question number 49. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from? आंसर इंग्लैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 50, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया कंटेन्स, आंसर 395 आर्टिकल्स। अब जो क्वेश्चन मैं देने वाली हूँ इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट बॉक्स में बताना है और वो क्वेश्चन है द टर्म ग्रेटर इंडिया डिनोट्स ऑप्शंस ए पॉलिटिकल यूनिटी, बी कल्चरल यूनिटी, सी रिलीजियस यूनिटी, डी सोशल यूनिटी। आई होप ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल लगा होगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।